Hello, friends. My name is Jose Quiroga, but you can call me Intriga. Intriga Labs is my personal project about cybersecurity research. So, today I will talk about an important topic in cybersecurity, the AI, in specific Gemini CLI. Gemini CLI, the AI tool for hacking in terminal. So, let's go to talk about first what is Gemini CLI. This is a tool, open source, made by Google to help you to use your terminal. It uses smart AI to understand your question and runs command for you. Google created this tool to bring powerful AI capabilities directly into developers' terminal, which is the main tool for developers they use daily, as you know. The goal was provide fast, easy, and integrate AI assistant that help with many tasks like coding, problem solving, content generation, research, and task management, all from the command line. If this tool could help to developers to use the terminal, obviously, this tool can be useful for the people like us in cybersecurity, specifically in pentest. Why, why is it useful for pentest? Simple. It helps you run hacking tools without memorizing complicated commands. You can use tools, for example, like a map, like what web, what wolf, etc. You can execute these tools in a easy way by just asking your Gemini GLI in a natural language. How does it work? Simple. You type in a natural language request in the terminal. For example, scan my network with nmap. Gemini CLI create the correct command and run it for you and explain the results. If you let me, I'm gonna show you in a simple proof of concept how does it work. I have my terminal here. I write Gemini and this is executed perfectly. Hold a second. In this case, my operating system principal is Ubuntu. I use Gemini in Badbots and run perfectly. Probably you can use this tool in Kali Linux or Parrot, but this Gemini CLI, works perfectly in tools based in Ubuntu, like Backbots, for example. Okay. As you can see, we have Gemini CLI in our terminal. We can write, for example, hello, and let's go to see what responds this tool. For example, the response is, hello, how can I help you today? It says Gemini. So I have some hacking tools installed in my Ubuntu. So let's go to executing. For example, I'm gonna write my powerful prompt that it say Could you execute what web SSL scan waf waf? The target is google.com. Could you explain the result in an easy way, please? Let's go to enter, and what happened? In this case, Gemini want that I love you, the execution. Let's go enter, and enter again. Okay, this tool is working. It executing the tools, and when it finish, it must display the result. As you can see, he can write and explain the results. What is Google, with what web, what server, technologies, location, United States. Is the connection to Google secure? And this is the explanation of the Gemini CLI. Is there a security war with WAF WAF? I mean, if there is something like a WAF or firewall installed by Google to defend their technology, and this explains what is the result. In this place, show the results. Well, let me tell you something, guys. The AI is changing the how the people works, and it changed the way of the people like of the pen tester, the people from cybersecurity change too. If you wanna know more about Gemini CLI, you can see my article in my website, intrigalas.com, where you can find some articles, and in specific, you can find this about Gemini. You can read, you can find how install this tool in your Linux machine, and other example of how it works. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.